Okay, I'm going to do a small pattern up in this corner of the grid. I've got 9 pieces here, 9 sections. And I'm just going to do this end-to-end pattern. It's a nice, relaxing way to work. And the patterns are very nice for decorating things like boxes or doors or anything that you're making, really. Sometimes just making the carving is enough. For me, it's often enough. I like to just carve away down here. All right. This pattern up here is the same as the one on the bottom, a little smaller than this one. Okay. There we go.